Your fence protects your home, but when it gets damaged, are you ready to fix it? Let's build the perfect fence repair kit. Weather, time, and accidents can damage any fence. Having the right tools and supplies on hand means you can make quick fixes before the problem gets worse. Here's what you need in every repair kit. Hammer and nails for quick fixes on loose boards. Screwdriver set to tighten or replace hardware. Pliers, perfect for bending or removing nails and wire. Tape measure to ensure accurate repairs. Level to keep everything straight. Post hole digger for replacing fence posts. With these tools, you can handle most minor repairs with ease. Alongside your tools, stock up on essential materials. Extra fence boards or panels that match your fence. Spare screws, nails, and brackets. Quick-set concrete for post repairs. Weatherproof wood stain or sealant for wooden fences. Replacement wire for chain link fences. Don't forget safety gear. Gloves, safety glasses, and hearing protection keep you safe while you work. Keep your kit in one organized container so you're ready for any repair, big or small. A well-prepared homeowner can fix a fence before it becomes a major problem. Need professional help? Visit kaunfenceinc.com or call 781-767-3596 today.